Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cleansing quickly. Wash hands with lukewarm water and pat them dry so moisture locks in. Once done, remove rings and debris so cream reaches skin. Dispense 1 2-pea-sized drops, about 0.5 g, into your palm and rub both palms together. Warming the cream for 5 to 10 seconds thins it and activates emollients. You'll feel it spread more easily, and this initial step primes skin for deeper layers. Make sure application is light, but thorough across the whole palm surface. Next, you'll massage methodically so the cream penetrates. Begin circular motions across the palm for 30 to 45 seconds, focusing on the heel and base of fingers where creases trap dry skin. Then press the cream between fingers and along flexion creases to force product into folds. This increases contact time and absorption. If your palms feel very dry, wait 60 to 90 seconds and apply a second light layer. This layering strategy builds hydration without greasiness. To finish, let the cream absorb for 2 to 3 minutes before touching fabrics or water so your barrier seals. You should feel softness without heavy residue. If you do notice residue, blot gently with a tissue rather than rinsing right away, which washes away active moisturizers. If you experience redness, stinging, or a rash, stop immediately and switch to a fragrance-free hypoallergenic formula. If symptoms persist, consult a clinician. Finally, repeat twice daily, or as needed to maintain smooth, resilient palms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.